Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Ps5 and confirming updates. This avoids missing language packs. Once signed in, press the PS button, then navigate to Settings, the gear icon, immediately. Make sure the controller is responsive and you're on the correct user profile. Otherwise, changes apply only to that account. You want the desired language name handy because the menu shows languages in their native script, which speeds selection and prevents accidental changes when you're mid-process. Once in Settings, move to System and choose Language to change the display language. This alters UI text immediately. Then select Input Language so keyboards and chat reflect the new setting. This is separate to prevent typing mismatches. If the console prompts to download language components, accept and wait for completion. Slower networks may take longer. Make sure to confirm both display and input languages before exiting, because changing only one can leave menus translated, while text entry remains. After choosing both display and input languages, restart the PS5 to fully apply the changes across apps. Once done, verify menu items and game overlays show the new language. If some elements remain unchanged, make sure the console firmware is up to date and repeat the language selection. If you still see old text, clear cache by fully powering down or remove and re-add keyboard/input settings. If problems persist, restore language, defaults in System Reset, and then reapply your language to fix conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.